Allusion, a subtle and powerful literary device, serves as a bridge between the past and the present, weaving intricate connections between texts and cultural contexts. By referencing historical figures, events, or other works, authors add depth and layers of meaning to their writing. However, these references often require the reader's familiarity with the alluded subjects, making allusion a complex and intriguing aspect of literature. One of the remarkable examples of allusion is found in Thomas Nash's Litany in Time of Plague, where the line, "Dust hath closed Helen's eye," subtly alludes to the legendary Helen of Troy. In this poignant context, Nash's allusion emphasizes the theme of mortality, drawing a parallel between the death of Helen and the contemporary reality of the plague. By invoking the name of a renowned figure from Greek mythology, Nash adds a profound and timeless layer of meaning to his poem. In T.S. Eliot's masterpiece, The Waste Land, allusion plays a pivotal role in the poem's complexity. Eliot employs an ironic allusion to Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra in the lines, "The chair she sat in, like a burnished throne, glowed in the marble." By referencing Cleopatra's magnificent barge, Eliot not only enhances the image of opulence, but also creates a striking contrast between the grandeur of the past and the mundane realities of the modern world. This juxtaposition invites readers to reflect on the decay of culture and the fragmentation of contemporary society. Allusions, however, are not always easily accessible to every reader. In Sir Philip Sidney's sonnet sequence, Astrophel and Stella, the poet employs punning allusions that can only be fully appreciated by those familiar with the personal lives of the individuals involved. The sonnets 24 and 37, for instance, contain allusions that require an intimate knowledge of the people and relationships they refer to. This practice of alluding to specific historical or personal contexts showcases the intertextuality of literature, where texts are interconnected, forming a rich tapestry of references and echoes. In the realm of modern literature, notable authors like James Joyce, Ezra Pound, and T.S. Eliot incorporate specialized and obscure allusions in their works. These references are often cryptic, demanding scholarly annotations for readers to grasp their full significance. This intricate web of intertextuality enhances the depth of meaning within the texts, encouraging readers to explore the cultural references and historical influences shaping the narrative. Allusion serves as a powerful tool of intertextuality, contributing to a richer understanding of literature and the cultural context in which it was written. In William Shakespeare's iconic play, Romeo and Juliet, the line, "It is the East," and "Juliet is the sun," not only describes Juliet's radiant beauty, but also connects her to the timeless symbol of the sun, illuminating the themes of love and passion in the play. In J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series, the name Albus Dumbledore alludes to alchemy, symbolizing wisdom and power in the character. The subtle use of this allusion adds a layer of depth to the portrayal of Dumbledore as a wise and influential figure in the wizarding world. Similarly, in F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby, the recurring green light at the end of Daisy's dock alludes to hope and longing, resembling the green breast of the New World mentioned in The Great Gatsby by Francis Scott Key Fitzgerald. This allusion highlights the theme of American dream and the pursuit of happiness. Furthermore, in Mary Shelley's classic Frankenstein, the subtitle The Modern Prometheus alludes to the Greek myth of Prometheus, a figure who defied the gods to bring knowledge to humanity. This allusion emphasizes the ambition and consequences of Victor Frankenstein's creation of life, drawing parallels between the modern scientist and the ancient mythological figure. In conclusion, Allusion enriches the tapestry of literature, infusing texts with historical, cultural, and mythological echoes. By referencing past works and figures, authors create a multi-dimensional reading experience, inviting readers to delve deeper into the hidden layers of meaning. These allusions serve as bridges between the present and the past, shaping the collective consciousness and expanding our understanding of human nature, history, and the complexities of human condition. So this was the discussion on the term allusion. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And if you want to read the text of this video or MCQs related to this topic, you can click on the link given in the description. We'll take up another term in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.